Introducing the Orbiter drinking lid for BLENDJET 2, the best lid ever conceived for drinking smoothies. With its revolutionary leak-proof design, the Orbiter lid is as simple to use as it is elegant. Just give it a spin and you're ready to sip. Now it's more convenient than ever to enjoy your blends on the road, at your desk, or wherever else the day takes you. The Orbiter is compatible with both standard and large BLENDJET 2 jars. And the integrated carrying strap makes it easy to tote your BLENDJET around town. Best of all, cleanup is a breeze. Just spin the lid and rinse. Don't you love it when things are easy? Take your BLENDJET to new heights with the Orbiter drinking lid. Order yours today, exclusively from BLENDJET.com.
Classic mini fridge comes in two sizes and is a convenient and lightweight portable cooler and warmer. It uses green EcoMax technology to be energy efficient and ultra quiet without the use of chemicals or gases. Use it anywhere to keep items cool or warm, such as food, drinks, snacks, beauty products, and more. Featuring a self-locking door handle, removable shelves and door pocket, comfortable side carry handles, and easy-to-use controls. Its stylish design is perfect anywhere in your home, office, or on the go. The 10-liter fridge can hold up to 12 cans, while the 15-liter version holds up to 18. Plug it into the wall for continuous power, or into your car's DC adapter when you're on the road. And use the dry erase surface that will wipe away clean. Keep your essentials cool or warm, at home or on the go, with the versatile Cooluli Classic Thermoelectric Mini Fridge.
Without an espresso machine. This is the NanoFoamer by Subminimal. Little whisk frothers can't aerate your milk. They just make your milk stiff and foamy. The NanoFoamer has an impeller to help spin and aerate your milk, and a mesh screen that makes your microfoam silky. Simply aerate on top and then lower to texture. And then you're left with milk like this. Awesome. The NanoFoamer by Subminimal. Cafe quality milk without an espresso machine.